In this video, we shall see what are common factors. Bablu loves ice cream. He broke his piggy bank today and got a 20 rupee note and a 10 rupee coin. Bablu decided that he would buy ice cream from his money in such a way that no money was left. Bablu is thinking,
if I had to buy ice creams at only one price with my 20 rupee note and 10 rupee coin, at what price would I be able to buy the ice cream?
Children, can you tell me how Bablu can find the answer to this question? Exactly! To solve this question, Bablu has to choose the factors which are the factors of both 20 and 10. Can you tell which are the factors of both 20 and 10? If you want, you can pause the video and find the answer. He first wrote the factors of 20 in this way. Now Bablu wrote down the factors of 10. Yes, these numbers 1, 2, 5 and 10 are factors of both 20 and 10. And kids, do you know that factors that are factors of more than one number are called common factors of those numbers? If Bablu had 50 and 15 rupees, then at what prices would Bablu have been able to buy? If you want, you can pause the video and find the answer. 1 and 5 are the common factors of 50 and 15. So Bablu would have been able to buy ice creams for 1 or 5 rupees. Bablu bought 2 10 rupee chocobar ice creams from his 20 rupee note and a 10 rupee chocobar ice cream from his 10 rupee coin. And together with Pinky and Raju, they ate ice cream with great pleasure. Children, in this video, we learned what are common factors. In the next video, we shall learn more about it by using some interesting examples. Hello kids! In the previous video, we learned more about common factors. In this video, we will learn more about common factors by some interesting examples. Golu has 12, 18 and 24 liters of milk filled in different pots. But Golu doesn't remember which utensil has how many liters of milk. Golu is thinking that he will measure the milk of all those utensils using a single vessel. Children, can you tell us what capacities of utensils can Golu use? If you want, you can pause the video and find the answer. First, we will write the factors of 12, 18 and 24. What do we have to do to find the utensils that Golu can use to measure milk? Exactly. We need to find common factors of 12, 18 and 24. 1, 2, 3 and 6 are common factors of these numbers.
I can easily measure the milk filled in these pots using a pot of 2, 3 or 6 liters. And the largest of these is a capacity of 6 liters. So we can definitely measure the milk filled in these utensils with a 6-liter vessel,
thought Golu. Children, out of the common factors of numbers, the largest number is called the highest common factor. Out of all the common factors of 12, 18 and 24, 6 is the largest. Therefore, we can say that 6 is the highest common factor of 12, 18 and 24. Golu began measuring the milk filled in all those pots with a 6-liter vessel. To measure the milk filled in this vessel, Golu used that 6-liter pot twice. For this pot, he used the 6-liter pot 3 times. And to measure the milk filled in this pot, Golu used his 6-liter vessel 4 times. In this way, Golu came to know that 12 liters of milk are filled in this pot, 18 liters in this one, and 24 liters of milk in this pot. Children, if Golu's pots were filled with 30, 42 and 48 liters of milk, can you tell what capacity would be used? If you want, you can pause the video and find the answer. These numbers 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the common factors of 30, 42 and 48. Out of them, 6 is the highest number or the highest common factor. Therefore, Golu would use only a 6-liter pot to measure 30, 42 and 48 liters of milk. Golu measured the milk filled in his pots and labeled them in this way so that he again does not forget the amount of milk filled in them. Children, in this video, we learned more about common factors by some interesting examples. In the next video, we will see some interesting concepts related to this. Hello kids! In the previous video, we learned more about common factors. In this video, we will see some interesting concepts related to this. Golu, Bhola and Bunny together have decided to donate some items to the needy children of Champapur. Golu will bring pencils, Bhola will bring pens and Bunny will bring notebooks. Then, all 3 of them will divide those things equally among the number of children so that every child gets every item. Golu has brought 19 pencils, Bhola has brought 48 pens and Bunny has brought 54 notebooks. Now all 3 friends are thinking as to what is the maximum number of children that they will be able to give these things to. To find a solution to this question, Bunny first wrote the factors of the 3 numbers in this way. Now, Bunny is trying to find the common factors of these numbers. Bunny is thinking,
There is only one common factor of these numbers. 1. How can it be possible that 1 is a factor of each of these numbers?
Children, is what Bunny saying correct? Is 1 a factor of every number? We can divide any number by 1. So 1 is the factor of each number. Bunny's point is absolutely correct. Now, all 3 friends are thinking that they cannot give all those things to only one child. And 19 has only 2 factors, 1 and 19 itself. So those numbers and shared factors are not possible.
But why does 19 have only 2 factors?
Bhola asked Bunny.
There are many numbers like 19. which we can only divide by 1 and that number itself. We call such numbers prime numbers. And because these numbers can only be divided by 1 and that number itself, they have only 2 factors.
Bunny explained to Bhola. Golu told Bunny and Bhola,
I have a solution for this. Why don't I add more pencils to these so that we can get even more common factors in these 3 numbers?
Bhola and Bunny liked Golu's suggestion very much. Bhola immediately found the common factors of 48 and 54.
Look guys, these numbers are the common factors of 48 and 54. And 6 of these are the highest common factor of these numbers. So, we have to increase the number of Golu's 19 pencils in such a way that even that increased number has 6 as a factor.
If I add one more pencil to these 19 pencils, then the total is 20 pencils. But 20, 48,
and 54
do not have
6 as a
common factor. If I add one more pencil, the total is 21 pencils. But now also we are not able to get 6 as a common factor. Will we get 6 as a common factor in 22 and 23?
Golu asked Bunny and Bhola.
No,
Said Bunny.
Oh wow! If I add 5 pencils to 19, there will be a total of 24 pencils. Here, the numbers 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the common factors of 24, 48 and 54. And 6 is their highest common factor. Therefore, we can distribute these things equally among 6 children.
Children, can you tell how many pencils, pens and notebooks each child will get? If you want, you can stop the video and find the answer. 6 times 4 is 24. So every child gets 4 pencils. 6 times 8 is 48. So each child gets 8 pens. And 6 times 9 is 54. So every child will get 9 notebooks. In this way, Golu, Bunny and Bhola formed 6 groups of all those items. And excitedly, they went out to deliver them to the needy children of the village. Children, in this video, we have seen some fun concepts related to common factors.